you'll tell. Know that they talking, they telling themselves. It's not hard to tell, they're for the sale. Hey, they talk like they got it, but they need to stop it. I'm leading with logic, my heartbeat is frosted. I seen it, got optics I needed from Shawty. She mean with the top and it's obvious. They need him a target, I'm dodging in darts, make him reach for the stars. I'm dumping, I'm forcing the pun off the runs. I'm moving with caution, I'm saucing my nigga is nothing. From nothing to something they'll never be. Tycooning, I'm Jay with the thizzle face. I'm nothing my section has ever seen. Run the ice so I'm touch, I don't need a screen. I'm Curry, I spit you from 30 deep. Do the pin in the pad like it's surgery. She the curve at you just to flirt with me. Totally tucked out, but the jewels out. I just in a home with a full mouth. I'm a rare breed when the moon out. I'ma stop playing by the rules now. I been ran plays, need a new route. Queen said she needs space in a new house. Mom told me that she pray for the kid every day. No wonder I'm getting paid for the tunes now. Get down the ass, bitch, I'm on the rail. I wrap it, I bag it, I pack it for sale. Got feeling, I speed out, I hit me a chill. I give it a thrill, I put it on real. This facade get applaud, that ain't real. Come to my section and flex, we can tell.
Hello everyone, my name is Mauro. Today I'm going to talk about the Mullfjället chair. The first thing I'm going to talk about are the adjustable features. The chair lets you lean back to a 45-degree tilt point. If you don't want to have the tilt at all, you can just grab the pin at the bottom of the chair and push it inwards. That will lock you to a 90-degree tilt point. Sadly, you cannot lock the chair at a different tilt point. The chair seat can rise up to 50 centimeters high, that's around 20 inches. The lowest height for the seat is 40 centimeters, that's around 16 inches. I'm a tall person, I'm 6.3 feet tall. That makes it pretty hard for myself to find a chair that's big enough and rises high enough to sit comfortably in. Luckily, this chair has both. I even have to drop a little from the max altitude so my feet are perfectly aligned with the ground. So if you're in the market for a chair that rises high, this would be a good fit. Sadly, most Ikea chairs don't really rise up that high, so for most people this would be one of only a few options to get. On the bottom of the chair you will find a little wheel. The wheel allows you to increase and decrease the tension of the tilt. One of the best parts about the chair is that you can completely remove the cover. Just make sure to unzip and take out the foam. I'm not going to take out the foam now because I'm lazy. One thing I dislike about the chair, but that's with every Ikea chair, the wheels of Ikea are supposed to be on a hard, solid surface. In my case, I have a carpet floor. That means the wheels are a little more firm and stiff to maneuver. That's why I've upgraded. One to look out for in the right armrest is a little paper. Cut it off when you're unboxing it because I had to dismount the armrest completely to remove it. One thing I really like about the chair are the armrests. The armrests have like an inwards L shape. That means that your arms will naturally fall on your lap. That makes it very comfortable when you're just watching a movie on your screen or anything you're doing. The chair has a lot of metal parts and it even comes with a 10-year warranty, so you better keep that receipt. I'm not afraid of breaking anything, everything seems very well built and there's almost to none of noise. To come to our conclusion, for the price tag of 229 euros, I would say this chair is worth the money. I like it so far, I've been using it for a week, I have no problems with it. Of course the wheels costed like 40 euros. I actually don't recommend them because they have no cover on the top, so you are most likely to just get your toes in the wheel. Just be careful. It feels way better with the wheels on, of course. Just get better wheels, that's all I'm saying. So yes, you could go and buy yourself a 1000 steel case chair, or you just could go with Ikea. And to be honest, a chair's a chair. Don't blow your budget on the chair so much, but maybe just spend the little extra. But I recommend before buying the chair, go to Ikea and try it out for yourself. And just keep your hands away from the gaming section. Buy yourself an office chair. They're better. You don't have to get the fancy gaming chairs. They normally don't have any functions that are useful. That's all from me. I'm gonna have a short clip for a friend of mine. You can click away now. Goodbye.
If I ever find one of these lying around again, I swear to fucking God, I will stop being so polite. Get the fuck out of my sight before I demolish you.